this video, I'm going to show you how to earn money on autopilot passively by uploading cute funny photos to an app and then sell it as merch online for free. No hidden costs, no advertising, no investment required. You can do this from anywhere in the world and with absolutely no skills. This is definitely suitable for beginners. So make sure you follow till the end to learn the whole process for free. And what's important about this method, guys, is that it's completely legal. No one is going to sue us and we will stay on the right side of the law. So let's say you decide you want to sell some cat images. You can't just go to Google and type funny cat photo and download any cat from here, because some of these photos are copyrighted, and this means that you don't own the copyright and you cannot use them freely for commercial purposes. You can go to images and check the license and make sure that you are only downloading the right images, but we're not going to do that from here from Google. We're going to do it from Pixabay, because Pixabay allows you to download completely copyright free photos and you can do whatever you want to do with them, and that includes using them for commercial purposes. There's other websites like Unsplash and so on and so forth. One thing to note with Pixabay is that you have to use images that were uploaded prior to January 9th 2019, because when Canva bought Pixabay on that date, they have changed the way that certain images are able to be used for commercial purposes, and that includes some limitations. So as long as the image is before January 9th 2019, you're good to go. What's great about Pixabay, guys, is that it's got over 2.6 million high quality stock images and you can use them for commercial purposes. Like I said, as long as you use the photos that were uploaded before January 9th 2019, because those are the ones that are completely free from copyright and you can use them however you want. So we'll type funny cat or something like that and then scroll through the images and see which one you might want to use for selling onto t-shirts or whatever. Try and get something that's funny, that's catches the eye. I've decided I'm going to go with this one. I think it looks quite funny. Basically, just click on it and then you go right here and click on free download. You have to be logged in, by the way, for you to be able to download the highest resolution. So I'm going to click on this resolution right here, 6000 by 4000 pixels, and then click on download. And there we have it. Now I'm going to show you how to make a ton of money from reselling these free photos. But before I show you that, we have to modify that picture. We're going to make the background transparent so that we can add some new element to it, so that we can add changes to it, and so that our photo doesn't get taken down. For that, we're going to need to use Canva. And for this particular purpose, we have to use Pro version of Canva. If you don't have the Pro version of Canva, not a problem. I'm going to leave you guys a link down below in the description to get 30 days free trial. So it's not going to cost you a penny. So I've just imported my image and now I'm going to need to make it bigger like so, and then I need to remove the background. It's pretty easy. I just click on edit image and then click on background remover like so. It will do its thing and then it will remove the background completely. Check this out, guys. Beautiful. So now I can go ahead and download this image. Click on share, click on download. Make sure you tick this transparent background. I would suggest you increase the size as much as possible so that we can have room for maneuver in terms of dimensions, because some products require higher definition, that's why. And obviously make sure you choose PNG. Then we click on download. And there we have it, guys. This is our image nicely done. And if you want a completely free background removal tool, there are plenty out there on the internet. Just type free background remover on Google and you'll find plenty. Use the one that you want. I just so happen to use Canva for everything pretty much, guys. That's why I wanted to show it to you. Now the next step, guys, we're going to go to Redbubble and upload these photos to different merch products, and when they sell, you'll make a decent commission. For those of you that don't know what Redbubble is, it's a print on demand platform where you can upload designs, and when they sell, they pay you commissions on each sale. They deal with printing, customer service, shipping, returns, cancellations, etc., which is amazing. All you have to do is make and upload designs, and that's how we earn free money, by uploading free images, guys. One thing I would recommend is that you go through the Redbubble user agreements. That way you know what you can and what you can't do, so that they don't terminate your account. And guys, if you come to Redbubble right here and just type cat and choose stickers, you'll be able to see so many stickers are being sold. It's amazing how popular these are. I sell tons and tons of stickers, guys, every month. It's crazy. If you want to know the types of images that sell really well, just scroll around and see what sells well and get some inspiration. Now let me show you how you can upload this design and instantly have it on Redbubble and ready to make some dough. You just drag and drop your image and it will start uploading to different merch products. But what you have to do is you have to come into each product and resize it and make sure that it looks good, because you can't just upload it like this. Say it's cropped out, you don't want it like that. And then you enter your title, your tags, your description, and you're good to go. So for example, right here, if we want to come in and edit this product, we can choose the colors and come right here and change it however we want. We can change the size of the product like so, position it right here, click on apply changes. You can do the same thing for here and then for here as well. This is too big, so we're going to make it smaller like so. And as you can see, it shows on the actual product how it looks. And basically we do it for every single product like so. Look how many products, guys, crazy amount of products. And when any of these products sells, you guys will make a decent commission. And guys, to generate tags that are being used in Redbubble for your particular niche or keyword, just go to Google and type Redbubble tags generator and come to basically anyone. Let's see, let's check this one right here. Let's type cat, get tags. So we get all these tags, copy them and go paste them right here in the tags area. And then we write our description and then we write our title. Pretty easy. Use funny licking kitten, something like that, and then add a nice description, and there you have it. And if you want to add your own translation, you have to tick this box and then add your own translation. Otherwise, Redbubble will do everything for you. And basically, we go all the way down. When we've done everything, we make sure that we select one option from here. We'll do photography and design and illustration. We'll leave this as is. We'll leave this as anybody public. Is this mature content? No. And then we click on this box right here and then click on save work. And there we have it, guys. And that's what it looks like when it's done. I mean, look at this sticker. It looks amazing. I think somebody will definitely buy this, but I haven't done the mask properly and all the other products properly, because this will take a few minutes to go to each product and edit the placement and the colors and the price and all of that. But you guys can do it. It's pretty easy. And if you want to edit everything, you can literally go to edit right here and then edit pretty much everything. Description, your tags, your title, and obviously the placements and all of that. And once you're done, I have the right to sell products and save work. But we do have the right to sell these products because we got them from the internet with commercial purposes, with the license to use them commercially from Pixabay. Just make sure that you guys have the right license to sell these products and you're good to go. You guys can do this with any print-on-demand platform. You can do it with Merch by Amazon, which is now called Merch on Demand. Upload these images as phone cases, throw pillows, or even apparel products like t-shirts or hoodies. You can add a funny cat quote that's already validated and sells well, and they pay you a handsome commission when your designs sell. And if you guys need a Merch by Amazon account, or you know someone who needs one, I'm going to leave you a link down below in the description. You'll get it within 24 hours of purchase. I'll also leave you below a crash course for Merch by Amazon, along with 200 plus profitable print-on-demand niches, a link to check out my full Ultimate Merch by Amazon course that's helped hundreds of people crush Merch by Amazon. And if you guys don't have time to do niche research, I'm going to leave you a link for my niche research service. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Hit the like button if you found it useful. Subscribe to the channel, you'll definitely benefit. Leave me a comment down below in the comment section and hit the notification bell button so that you guys can get the videos as soon as I upload them, and I'll see you in the next video.